It's March, and with all the stuff that's going on out there, you know about leprechauns that are trying to, find gold at the end of the rainbow, and you got basketball tournaments. I don't know, it's like March Insanity or something to do with like craziness or madness or something that's going on, right? Well, that's all gimmicks. Who cares? You're not gonna find the pot of gold over there. You're not gonna win the bracket challenge or anything like that. But what you can do is you can come and see us this March, and no gimmicks, no games. We got deals. We got payments on cars right now that are as low as about $140 a month, equals to about $5 a day. Yes, I said it, $5 a day is back. Save you some money. Come on in this March. For more information, come and visit our website at phhyundai.com. We have all the specials there. We have parts specials. We have service specials. It's all there. Come and check us out. We want to see you this March before the leprechauns come and get you, hunt you down, before the basketball people come and play all over your house. Just come down and see us without the gimmicks, with the deals. We'll see you in a little bit.